AI is taking over. It's gonna steal all our jobs, turn into a robot army, and take over the world. Or is it? Welcome back to AI Girl. Today, we're tackling the biggest myths about AI that people love to talk about. From it being this unstoppable force that will take all our jobs, to it supposedly reading minds. Let's break down what's true, what's totally made up, and what's somewhere in between. But first, if you're curious about AI, enjoy these myth-busting vibes, and don't want to miss out on any future videos, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And hey, comment down below if there's a myth about AI you've heard that you'd love to see busted. Myth 1. AI will take over all jobs. Okay, this one is huge. People think AI is coming for all the jobs, all of them. Imagine a world where robots are flipping burgers, coding software, designing clothes, even becoming YouTubers. But here's the reality check. Yes, AI is changing jobs, but it's not stealing every single one. Real facts. Many jobs are evolving, and AI is mostly taking over repetitive or data-heavy tasks. Think of AI as your ultra-efficient assistant. Sure, some jobs may shift, but new ones are popping up too. Jobs like AI trainers, data scientists, even social media strategists specializing in AI-generated content. AI is just a tool. It's not going to kick humans out of the workforce altogether. So don't fire yourself just yet. Myth 2. AI can think just like humans. Now this is one that people get wrong all the time. Some think AI can think, dream, and make decisions just like we can. Spoiler alert, AI doesn't even have a brain, let alone dreams of electric sheep. Here's the deal. AI is like a super smart calculator. It processes data super fast and gives us answers, but it doesn't think the way humans do. No emotions, no creativity that goes beyond patterns, no actual decision-making skills. Example, AI can recommend songs on Spotify, but it doesn't know why you're sad when you play that one playlist on repeat. So the next time you hear someone saying AI can understand them, just imagine a robot blankly nodding. It's only processing info, not feeling it. Myth 3. Only tech experts can use AI. This is one of my favorites because it's so wrong. So many people think you need to be a coding genius, hacking away at midnight to even touch an AI tool. But guess what? There are AI tools that even my grandma could use, and she still calls her phone a mini TV. Real facts. There are AI tools for all skill levels. From simple apps that enhance photos to sophisticated AI-driven marketing software. AI tools like chatgpt, Canva's AI design features, or even basic video editing AIs are built for everyone. They're designed to be user-friendly, and you can start using them with zero tech experience. If you've ever swiped left or right on your phone, congratulations, you're officially qualified to use most AI tools. Myth 4. AI is expensive and only for big companies. The good old AI is just for billion-dollar tech companies myth. Sure, some AI systems can cost a fortune. But the truth? There are tons of free and affordable AI tools available right now that anyone can use. Examples of affordable or free AI tools: ChatGPT, Grammarly for art, and more. Some of the most powerful tools are either free or come with affordable plans. Think of tools like Grammarly, which you can use for free, or ChatGPT, where even a free account can help with writing. AI doesn't have to empty your wallet. It can actually help you save time and money too. Myth 5. AI will be smarter than humans in every way. Last but not least, the myth of the superhuman AI. Some people think AI is evolving to be smarter, stronger, faster, and that soon we'll be taking orders from robots. Let me just say, AI might be good with numbers, but it still can't tell a good joke. And no offense to AI, but it wouldn't survive one day in the real world without humans managing it. Reality: AI is amazing at calculations, pattern recognition, and data analysis, but it lacks human qualities like intuition, empathy, and common sense. At the end of the day, AI is only as good as the people who create and train it. It's powerful, but it's not a replacement for human creativity, emotions, and life experience. So no robot overlords, at least not anytime soon. So there you have it, the biggest myths about AI busted. AI is an amazing tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's not a supervillain, it's not coming for every job, and it's definitely not reading your mind, at least, not yet. If you enjoyed busting these myths with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next AI adventure. And tell me in the comments, What's the craziest thing you've heard about AI? Or what's a myth you still want to see busted? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay bold, and keep exploring AI, because the future is what we make of it.